Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. Nice to see you stop by today. I have a freebie for you, and it is a little bird booklet type of a thing. So I have the two covers, the back and the front, and then I have 4 pages to put inside there. And of course, you can always add more pages to a plain paper. But I'm going to give you a little short tutorial on how I put this together and to give you some ideas. So you'll get 3 pages. You'll get these first pages here I have, and then you'll also get like a background page to kind of print on the opposite side, just a neutral page that you can write over and everything like that. So let's get started with this. So for the cover, I cut out 2 pieces of craft paper, 3 5/8 inch wide and 6 1/8 of an inch long. And then I cut back these covers a little bit. I cut them back to 3 1/4 by 5 3/4 so that there's this little border all around it. Now you can absolutely use cardstock if you like, or you can print these everything out on cardstock. These also make really good pieces of ephemera. So you can print out 1 round of cardstock and then use the other ones for ephemera, and then print out a round of paper if you wanted something not quite as thick on the inside. So, but I'm going to do it this way, and I'm just going to glue that together, and going to use a glue stick and just going to glue this here. Make sure the edges are really well glued down, and we'll just put this here on the back like so. Let me burnish it a little bit. So now we have the back cover, which will be like that, and we have the front cover. So the covers are all finished, and then I'm just going to arrange the papers the way I like them. Now you can add papers to this, of course, if you would like, but what I'm going to do, I mean, you could staple these. You could staple, you know, all the papers together and you have a little booklet, or you can use brads. Now if you use brads, you do have the advantage of adding paper down the road if you would like. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the brads. So I'll just put down the placement for these 2 brads like so. I'm going to use really small ones, but of course any size will do. And we're going to put a hole here and put a hole here. All right, so I'll go ahead and punch one there, and then just match up. I want to make sure you kind of get this paper in with it. I mean, I guess if you didn't, it wouldn't be any deal breaker, but I kind of figure it does add to the strength of it a bit, and so we'll just line these up, get those done, and probably, since I've got a hand puncher, probably only going to be able to do 2 papers at a time. So I will set it inside just a wee bit there on the border, and get that done. And then I will take that top sheet and put these holes in. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble the little book. Very easy peasy. And like I say, you can make this as big or as small as you would like. You could even make this into a mini journal. You can start, oops, I didn't get that in there. You could start decorating all the pages and build it up, and it could just be a cute little mini journal as well. And I'm just making this to be a journal or not journal, or a little booklet inside my larger journal that I've been working on, my Edith Holden journal. Is what I'm doing here. Okay, so there you go. Really cute little mini journal-like for you to use inside your bigger journal or to make into something standalone. So that's the little freebie for this month. I hope you enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe if you did, and so that I know that you like these kind of freebies. And head on over to my coffee shop, and I will see you over there. So do one thing. I wanted to catch you up on the Edith Holden journal that I've been working on, and it's taken me a little bit longer to assemble the pages than I thought it was going to take. But so far, this is kind of what I'm doing. I'm putting 2 months into each signature, and of course there'll be 6 when I get done. And what I have to do now is basically add some other papers that I want to put in here, and then I'll start decorating them. So please subscribe for that, and you can see how that will come along. I'm kind of excited about it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So thank you, and we will talk to you real soon. Have a great and crafty evening. Bye.